Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, breezy and warm once again for your election day. Similar to today, record highs a possibility before we track in rain chances later tomorrow night into our Wednesday. And then some cooler air starts to show up later this week, but still above normal for this time of the year. Look at today's high, officially hitting 80 degrees. That surpassed the old record of 78. That was set back in not only 1977, but also 2015. But look at where we should be for this time of the year. 61 on average for the high, 40 for the low, and it was 80 over 62. Unbelievably warm for early November. Home view, not a whole lot going on. A little bit of a breeze out there. It's a warm evening, especially for early November standards. Temperature-wise, lower 70s in a lot of locations across central Kentucky. Some upper 60s to low 70s showing up south and east. Either way you slice it, it is mild out there. Winds from the south and southeast between 5 and about 10 miles per hour, with some gusts expected over the next 24 hours, upwards to 25, even 30 miles per hour at times. That'll be possible working through not only tomorrow, but into tomorrow night, as well as some rain chances will start to ramp up. And this is part of the big picture and setup that we're dealing with. Right now, dry. All the action, you have to go west and southwest. Severe weather ongoing across portions of Oklahoma, getting into Arkansas, and they have some tornadoes that have occurred across those areas, and some strong tornadoes at that. Now, for us, we're not talking about that kind of severe threat. Not at all. In fact, it's about gusty winds and some heavy rainfall for a chunk of the area. And that's part of the next big thing we track out for you. Here's the front starting to make its move across the Commonwealth into your Tuesday evening. Take some time, though. Tuesday night around midnight or so, looks like some shower activity starts to break out across central Kentucky, with rain chances increasing from the south and west across portions of central, southern, and even eastern Kentucky. That's going to continue to your Wednesday morning. Some heavier rainfall will be a possibility at times. And then through Wednesday, even into Thursday, this boundary just kind of hangs out across the region. It stalls out and keeps the shower chance around as we work into late week. Now, as far as your election day forecast is concerned, weather-wise, everything looks pretty good. It's going to be breezy, warm, high temperatures topping out around 80 degrees here in Lexington, Frankfort, Jackson, low 80s, 79 in London. We're talking records in jeopardy. Many, many spots for central, southern, and east Kentucky Tuesday afternoon. Then we look ahead. Another system showing up. Tropical system across the Gulf. There could be a connection there with a system spinning just to our west. Pulls in a lot of moisture. Here we go. Getting into this weekend, rain chances trying to show up. Even some storms a possibility working into our Sunday. Either way, it's a setup we're going to be watching closely as we work through the next 3 to 4 days. 7-day forecast showing temperatures cooling off, upper 60s by Friday. That looks to be one of our drier days. Otherwise, rain chances ramp up through the weekend and will stick around into early next week.